Welcome sa YouTube channel ko. Dito tayo sa Spooky Train sa Fullerton, California. This is the Santa Fe train station. So, let's see and watch this historic train station in Santa Fe, Fullerton, California. As you can see, this is the truck for train station. They are waiting. This is a very historic train. This going to LA and going to San Diego. Amtrak train. So it's going all around the country, San Francisco, all over the place, LA, San Diego. So now as people are waiting here for the train to come. Yes, you can see. It's a very historic place. Now I'm taking you to the train museum. Where is the train museum? Is the train is like they made it like a museum for 1943. See, the train is coming now. That's what's now. You can walk in here, and there is a restaurant on the other side of the truck. There's a cafe. There's a place to rest. That building over there, the brown building, which is very old, but they make it quite new inside. There is a restaurant. There is a ticket buying over there. So now we are going to their museum, which is the train is not functioning anymore. This is the train going to San Diego. Let's watch this. Okay, there's a train now going to San Diego. See, they start unloading the passenger. Amtrak, California. So this is going all over the place. So you want to go to LA, you don't want to drive, you just take the train going to San Diego, or you're going to LA, or going to Santa Barbara or San Francisco, Oakland. So this is train is very nice. You can just sit down and relax, buy your ticket, and experience the scenery of the California coast. So let's go to the museum. I'm taking you now to the old train, which is the 1943 train, and they made it as a museum. Let's go. So this is the place where is the train museum is located, and I'm taking you inside and watch it. Are you, sir?
Hello.
It's nice you're making here.
Oh,
It's
glad you
beautiful.
came.
You're here.
Yeah. I'm videoing for the kids, you know.
Oh, absolutely.
Good deal.
Yeah. Can I have a picture with him?
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, you can sit down, no problem.
oh, okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir.
Sure.
So this is the continuation of the trade. As you can see, the cabin, we're gonna see all this cabin, how it look. So this is a friend of mine. They're sitting. Yeah, I think she's a lady. Yeah, I don't know how old. She's already skeleton. See this is small cabin. See, this is look like a private cabin when you want to get in. So let's see. So let's sit down in here. Old train. So a friend of mine is here in my background. Look at that. I'm sitting beside him. Oh, hello. Hello. I'm scared. So let's see. Let's see this. So we're gonna see.